Hey guys, Nate Polmateer here.
Back with another car ride!
Today is an amazing day. It is gorgeous outside, super sunny. You guys can see through my moon roof. It is a beautiful day today. We are sitting at 23 degrees Celsius. And without further ado, today I want to talk about cash. And I want to talk about how we purchase things and how we need to rethink how we purchase things. Not exactly what you purchase, but how you purchase it. So what you use to purchase it. Are you taking advantage every time you're making a purchase by essentially claiming back a small amount of cash? Some of us are. Some of us aren't. It cost me $90 to fill my tank today. This isn't a big car. You guys want to see the whole car? This is it. I have a little Fiat, and I got this to save money. One of the ways that you can maybe even save more money is by using points cards, right? Maybe. I have seen recently some gas stations that if you use a certain credit card at that gas station, you can get 3 cents off a liter. There's a gas station near us called Pioneer, and for every liter you get 3 cents off if you have a CIBC Visa. And if you pair that with your Journey rewards, you can get 10 cents off a liter after every, it's like 100 liters, 150 liters or so. So it's a pretty decent way of saving money. I guess for my American listeners, 1 liter is 0.26 gallons. So if I save 10 cents off a liter, that is like saving what? Do the math, people. 0.26 of a gallon, so a full gallon would be 4 liters, 40 cents. You'd save 40 cents a gallon if you matched your CIBC Visa card, which is a local bank with us. You guys might have this in the US as well. And use your Journey rewards and shopped at Pioneer and Ultramar. Those are the 2 gas stations you can do that through. 10 cents a liter. You might be like, that's not much. Okay, well, I just filled my car up with 50 liters, so that would have saved me $50. No, not $50. That would have been amazing. That would be $1 off a liter. That would save me $5. Where could you spend that extra $5? Well, maybe you can spend it on that overpriced food. Every time you save money, you stock it away. The cool thing too is that the CIBC card that you use also gives you a percentage back, gives you 4% back at the gas station. So on 50 liters, you save $5. Also on 50 liters, you get 4% back. So if it was 5%, that would be $2.50. So probably around $2.30, $2.25. It's pretty good for something you're doing every day. And you know what? Maybe some of you just never thought of this before. And for a long time, I would say I was in that boat. I never really thought much about points cards. Even though I shop at a place that's like, hey, do you have your points card? No. Do you want one? Not really. Now, if you get a points card and you go to these places just to retrieve points, that's stupid. But if you get a points card at a place you're already shopping, and you could eventually earn cash back, and that's not stupid. Now, if you and I went to the gas station and you used your cash, well, you wouldn't get that 4% back. And you also wouldn't get the extra 3 cents a liter back. So how often do you fill up your vehicle? For me, I fill up my vehicle once a week. I have I think it's a 50-kilometer commute or so 100 kilometers a day, so I end up filling up once a week. So if I fill up once a week, and we do the math from before, that I'm saving about $6.50, so $2.50 and then $5, so $7.50, $7.50 a week. After 10 weeks, $75. 20 weeks, $150. After 40 weeks, $300. Is it worth it to you or to me to link up a Visa card and use a points card at a gas station? I'd say yes. I think that's pretty significant. How often do we just say, okay, let's pay with cash? Now, there are some, libertarians and those out there that are just afraid of the government or people tracking them, tracking their purchases, and that's a real thing. Companies sell your information, sell what you purchase, how you tap on your phone. They sell this information. It's called data harvesting. And I guess that's a legit fear. But do you care enough about that? Maybe you don't. If you don't, great. If you do, then keep using cash. All right, so that's it for today. Just wanted you guys to know that, you know what? Using those points cards, using that cashback credit card might be really worth it to you. It depends on what you use that cashback for as well. Make sure to follow my other videos on ShakePay and the rewards I get there. I get back in Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is
Drinking.
so all that means is every cashback I get now, I get more Satoshis, I get more portions of Bitcoin. One will see in the future how that does. I think it's just been trading sideways for a long time now, and we're probably just going to be in a bear market for the next year or two. And I'm okay with that. Everyone can make fun of me for buying Bitcoin, but it is what it is. All right. Have a great week. I will see you guys sometime next week. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.